Hi, good evening. This is B.K. Behera from Behera Textile Tutorials. Today we will learn about typical draw frame blending. Blending is a process to mix the different types of fiber in a specified proportion ratio, where each type of fiber is found in every tuft of fiber and every cross section of yarn in that particular proportion. This is two type of blending fiber in spinning process. One is blow room blending, another is drop frame blending. Here the different types of fibers are mixed and blended in a particular ratio in a blow room. And in a blow room blending you can find three types. Layering mixing, as people used to mix in old days, and by automatic mixing by topped feeder B13 with topped blender B23. There is some feeder you can take, and 3 or 5 feeder you can take, and it will be fed to topped blender. Then this is a very precision blender for blending different types of fiber. You can take any types of fiber, 2 or 3 type of fiber as you like. You can take 3 feeders or 5 feeders to feed to top blender B23. Another one is different types of fibers may be mixed in bell plucker also. If the bell height is same in all the fibers of bells, means you have to blend two types of fibers. Then both the fibers bell have to be height same. Then it can be done in bell plucker. Then second type is drop frame. Drop frame blending, you can process different types of fiber in different line of blow room and carding. This is the merit of the drop frame blending, that you can process the polyester fiber and cotton fiber differently in their actual setting of the machine. Then it will be blended in drop frame, and the drop frame blending has accuracy of blending also. So this is a quality good in drop frame blending. So and then mix in drop frame. You have to calculate the ratio and keep the required sliver hank for proper blending. Means you are blending in drop frame, so you have to calculate for the hank of the sliver, how much hank you have to keep. Then the proportion will be as per requirement. You can see this is a typical machine sequence for draw frame blending. First you can see this is a ring yarn blend combed yarn. Means separately you have to process cotton. Left side this is carding cotton, then drafting, auto leveler, long and medium term level auto leveler, then lap farmer 24 doubling, then comber, and right side it is carding synthetic, then draw frame drafting pre-pass, and then after combing this polyester coming from breaker, and this cotton is coming from comber. Then this is the blending drop frame drafting pre-pass, auto leveler, long and medium term leveler, and 6 coupling. Then second drafting passage, then third drafting passage is the finisher drop frame, then it will go to fly frame. And right side picture you can see pure cotton combed ring yarn. You can do carding and drawing breaker, then lap farmer comber, then fast passage, second passage, then fly frame and ring frame. And for combed OE yarn you can do carding, breaker drop frame, lap farmer, combing, finisher drop frame, and opening. This is the typical drop frame blending for polyester and cotton. You can see carding, breaker, then lap farmer, then comber, and then this is the blending drop frame. And for polyester, in the bottom side you can see another carding, then breaker drop frame. It is coming to the blending drop frame. After blending drop frame, then second passage, then third passage, then rubbing frame. This is typical machine sequence for combed cotton ring yarn. Carding, breaker, lapermer, comber, then fast drafting, second drafting, then rubbing. Typical machine sequence for combed cotton rotor yarn. Carding, breaker draw frame, lapermer, comber, rotor spinning. Combo after comber you have to give one finisher, then rotor spinning. And actually this comber you can use for the finer count only for rotor yarn. Also in ring frame you have to use in finer count, because in finer count you need the longer fiber length for more strength. So we are removing the short fibers in the comber. And one thing you can see, uh, when your fiber length is about 30 mm, you can give the feed per nip in the combo, you can give 4.7. And if your fiber length is 35 or more, then you can give feed per nip 5.2 or more. So nobody will tell you like this, because if you will put feed per nip more and your fiber length is less, then you will lose more lint in the comber oil. And if you give less feed per nip and your fiber length is more, then maybe your fiber will be lost. So this is one typical machine sequence for both bell plucker and this top feeder. And you can run carded warp, combed warp, and a PC blend. So for PC blend you can take cotton from the bell plucker also. So this is the all total machine sequence. And I have taken 7 ring frame for KW, 8 ring frame for CW, and 15 ring frame for PC cotton yarn. And this is spindle capacity 2400 spindle per machine. And this speed frame you can see that speed frame is spindle capacity is 208 spindle. So you can take one bed plucker per total spindle, and fast beater is 1, then auto mixer is 3, because for KW, CW, and this cotton for PC line, this is 2 auto mixer, and another auto mixer for synthetic line, polyester line. Then fine bitter you can take a 2 bitter here, and fine bitter for synthetic 1 you can see B134. Then carding for carded 6.5, for combed warp 7, for cotton for PC 4.5, and polyester for PC 8 card. Then breaker drop frame 2.75, 3.25, 2 and 4. Total 12 breaker drop frame. Then layer farmer 1 and combo is 10 total. Then blending drop frame 5 drop frame for the PC blending. Then second passage for the PC blending 5 drop frame. Then finisher drop frame for carded 3, for combed 3, and for PC blend 5. And speed frame for carded 2.4, for combed 2.6, and for PC blend 4 machine. And ring frame 7, 8 and 15. And approximate targeted production, expected production, this is carded warp 12,152, combed warp 10,308, and PC blend 19,122, that is total 41,582 kg per day. And this is the very essential and very important your randomization. uh, because this is a drop frame blending, you have to strictly follow the randomization, otherwise your uh, blending will be problem. So this is for carded breaker 1, 2, 3. You can feed the carding number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 doubling you have to do. Then breaker 4 to 6, it is com door. You can feed the card number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 7 n. And breaker 7 and 8, for the PC blend you have to take 2 breaker for the cotton. So you can feed here 15, 16, 17, 18, 4 cards. Again also 15, 16, 17, 18. And breaker 9 to 12, 4 drop frames for the polyester line. So you can take 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 8 card. For the cotton breaker 4 card, and for the polyester polyester line it is 8 card. So after then this is blending drop frame. 5 drop frame, you as you see before, blending drop frame 5 numbers. So for the 5 blending drop frame, you can randomize the polyester, cotton, polyester, then polyester, cotton, polyester. So this polyester will come from the breaker drop frame 9 to 12, and the cotton come from the comber. I have given you it is required 5 number of comber. So you can give 2 slab in a one breaker. So you have 5 drop frame. So you have to randomize accordingly. Then it will come again, that 5 drop frame it will be blended in second passage drop frame. You can do drop frame 1, drop frame 2, drop frame 3, drop frame 4, drop frame 5. You can give 5 coupling only. Then this second passage material will come to finisher drop frame PC. It is also you can give that second passage material, it will blended in drop frame 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the finisher drop frame KW CW, because KW has 3 breaker, CW has also 3 breaker. So you can give 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 like this. This is the randomizer.